Hi everyone, and welcome to the video series for Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365. In this video, we'll be discussing the Settings tab again, more specifically, the Roles section. Let's take a look at that demo. While there are many roles that you can choose, we're going to cover some of the most popular options we see clients using. So in order to begin, we're going to go to the Roles tab, which I'm on now, and you'll see Add a New Role. So let's go ahead and click this. Let's say in this scenario, you want to have a Restore Operator role, and we could even put them in a certain location as well. So I'm going to type in Restore Operator, New York. So if we just select Browse and Restore here, this would allow anybody in this group to browse their own backups and restore back to the original location only. But let's say we want these people to be able to do restores for others. So let's click on View Restore to Outlook. I'm going to scroll down here. So maybe we want this Restore Operator to be able to do restores back to the original location. But we're not going to let them preview emails. We're not going to let them restore email to different user inboxes. But you could always enable these if you'd like. So scrolling down a little bit further here. In this scenario, let's say we have a security group based in New York called House Stark. So now let's select and toggle on the access to user backups for selected groups. Toggle that on here, select those groups, and again, in this instance, we'll say that that group is House Stark, and we'd hit OK. So now this role would allow this operator to only be able to do restores to those specific groups. The other option you have is to toggle on Access User Backups for all except selected groups. So if I go again through this process and select the group and hit House Stark, select OK, which I won't do here. This would allow the Restore Operator to do restores for everyone in the tenant except for that House Stark group. That is typically what we see as the most popular type of role created. Now, there are a lot of variations that you can make here. The only other role that I'll go through today is more of a view access role. So I'm going to unselect everything that we have up here. And what I'll do is I'll hit View Reports, View Backup Jobs, and scroll down here. We'll hit Receive Notifications, and maybe View Data Cloud User Activity. So what I've done here, if I hit OK, this role would be more of a view-only access role. They would still receive notifications on things like backup job progress, but they would not actually have the ability to execute any of those backups. If you have any more questions, please reach out to the customer success team at vdc.customersuccess@veeam.com. Thank you.